Retired Member Survivor Benefits. As a retired SCURS member, your beneficiaries may be eligible for payments upon your death based on options you choose. The most common unmodified allowance provides the largest benefit to you based on age, service credit, and final compensation. When you die, your spouse or registered domestic partner gets 60% of your monthly allowance payable for their lifetime, providing you were married or registered for at least 1 year prior to retirement, or 100% if you received a service-connected disability retirement. There are 4 alternative options, all reducing your lifetime allowance, and some restrictions may apply. Compared to the unmodified allowance, a lump sum paid to your beneficiary provides a one-time payment based on any of your remaining contributions. A joint and survivor annuity provides either 100% or 50% of your monthly allowance for your beneficiary's lifetime. You specify the amount or percentage based on the eligible total and designate multiple beneficiaries. With all options, SCURS pays a $4,000 lump sum burial allowance to your beneficiary if you die after you retire, with some conditions. To learn more, contact SCURS. We're here to help.